Good afternoon, children. Welcome to the English class. In this class, we'll study the grammar part of the lesson, The Great Spirit of Saltry. So, children, English language uses a few words to describe actions or give extra information to a verb. So, that is called as adverb. So, once again, children, an adverb is a word which modifies or which explains the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. See here, there are some adverbs underlined in the sentences. Deer runs fast. Snails move slowly. Some people rarely work. She sings well. They fought bravely. He is seriously ill. The words underlined in the sentences above describes the action, manner of action in each of them. They are called adverbs. So, these words, they describes the manner of action. So, such words are called what? Adverbs. So, once again, children, an adverb is a word which explains the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So, adverbs are usually formed by adding ly to the describing words. See here, careful, carefully, serious, seriously, brave, bravely, plain, plainly, deep, deeply. So, children, now let us identify the adverbs in these following sentences. The child listened patiently to his mother. Here, listened is a verb, patiently is an adverb. The horse rode as quickly as possible. Here, quickly is the adverb. Students answered correctly. Correctly is the adverb. I read silently. Silently is the adverb. The farmer told the hiker plainly. Plainly is the adverb. Joe cried bitterly when he broke his new glasses. Bitterly is the adverb. So, children, now list different actions that you do between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. at school every day and say how you do them. See, for example, I listen carefully. Okay? So, in this way, I sit calmly, I read silently, I speak softly. So, children, there are few words which are used to express the frequency of the action done. So, this is type of adverb, that is adverb of frequency. What is frequency? Frequency means the rate at which something occurs over a particular period of time. Okay, over a particular period of time. So, something which occurs. So, that is what? That is frequency. I often read in the newspaper. They never play in the evening. Okay, adverb of frequency which occurs over a particular period of time. Okay, Rekha usually goes to school with her brother. Lankesh sometimes drinks coffee. The words underlined are adverbs of frequency. These are adverbs of frequency. They express how often one does the work. So, these words, they express the adverb of frequency. They express how often one does the work. See, for example, reading, playing, going, drinking, and so on. How often they do this work. So, these are explained by the adverbs of frequency. See here, children, correct the following sentences. I ate quick. No, I ate quickly. It should be I ate quickly. Unfortunate, everyone was injured in the accident. So, it should be unfortunately, everyone was injured in the accident. He spoke to her gentle. So, it should be he spoke to her gently. They all spoke loud. It should be they all spoke loudly. It rained heavy. It should be it rained heavily. He shut the door quietly. Quiet. So it should be he shut the door quietly. I hope you have understood about the adverbs. So now see here, children. Now imagine you need to tell your friend how often you do the following. So there are some actions given. You should tell your friends how often you do. Fill in the table below using a tick mark and construct sentences as shown in the example. See here, I always obey my parents. So pray in the evening. First one, what they have given? They have given pray in the evening. So if you pray in the evening always, put a tick mark here and write the sentence I always pray in the evening. Pray in the evening. So, in the same way, walk in the school park. Okay, you should never walk in the school park. So, I never walk in the school park. So, like this, you should do the sentences for all these actions. If you are doing it sometimes, use sometimes. If you are doing it always, use always. If you are doing it often, use often. If you are doing it never, use never. And if you are doing it usually, do usually. Write this in rough notes. Okay, write it in rough notes. Thank you, children.